This lovely one-bedroom unit is in the Sanford Plaza complex. It consists of 4 buildings and it is securely gated. A lovely private courtyard is available for all residents. The building is very well maintained with a nice lobby and intercom system for security. The entry is keyless with a remote. As you step in the unit, the dining area will lead to the spacious living room. Adjacent to that is the eat-in kitchen, which comfortably accommodates a table for 4. It also offers a window and many cabinets for great storage. The sink has a filtration system for safe drinking water. The bedroom and bathroom are open from a short separate hall for privacy. The bedroom has 2 closets and 2 large windows for cross-ventilation. The bath is updated as well with a window. The unit is conveniently located on the 2nd floor, which is just a short walk up if someone does not like elevators. The maintenance is $496.32 per month, and it includes all but not the electric and cooking charges. The parking is on waiting list, and it is $105 for the garage space and $85